Hello and welcome to my long overdue bungalow tour video. So I'm finally getting around to doing it today because the house is pretty much finished. So I thought I would bring Hugo along with me. So today we're starting in the hallway. And if you go back to one of my old videos, you'll see the comparison of this new bungalow compared to our old one. So yeah, this all used to be the bathroom. And if you follow me, we'll go into the first bedroom. This is the first downstairs bedroom, and we've managed to get a double bed in here. There's a large sofa in here and two large wardrobes in here. So this could be perfect for a teenager or granny to come in to stay with a sofa and a bed here as well. So yeah, this is the bay window room. It can either be used as a lounge or a bedroom. But yeah, if you remember in the old bungalow, this was a lot bigger and a lot open with the stairs in. Yeah, so let's go through the newly created hallway, which used to be part of the living room. So the stairs used to be here, where I'm stood now. We ripped them out, created this separate bedroom. And yeah, now we've got this nice hallway where we can actually segregate the rooms off. So under the stairs now here, this used to be where the front door was. So right down this corridor was a narrow hallway and the front door was there. And directly opposite the front door was the bathroom. So in my last bungalow tour video, the bathroom is pretty much exactly the same. We've added a few more tiles, changed the colour on the walls, but all in all, the bathroom has stayed exactly the same from when we first renovated it. And now if we take you into kind of like the main room, this is the open plan kitchen, diner, living, and yeah, I think this room definitely gives the wow factor to the bungalow. You've got the sliding doors, you've got the island, you've got the kitchen. And yeah, I just think it's a really lovely open space, especially if you've got a busy family. You can do pretty much everything in here. Got massive island, space for 5 chairs, and then you've also got all this open space here for a massive dining table, but it's just the two of us and the dog, so we've just left the old dining table. So I'll quickly go and show you the garden room. It's not the most aesthetic room in the world, but I'll just show you what we've done with it. And I can also show you the back of the house, which is our favourite view. So if you follow me through to the garden, which we've completely renovated as well. This is the garden room. Can you believe we actually lived in here for 7 months while we were having the house renovated? We had the bed over there, we had 2 office desks, a kitchenette, and a clothes Kallax unit from IKEA. Okay, so this is the bedroom. Here's my little doggy. Hello, darling. TV on the wall. It's a bit high, but actually it's not too bad because the bed is quite high. Everything's a mess, so just ignore everything being this messy. Sharples' desk. And then we've got all of our clothes in these tubs, like everything, apart from coats, which are in the boot. So like this is Sharples' section of the office. And then we come on over into the kitchen, where we have the area we're going to prepare food. There's the kettle. You know, we've got all we need, tea, coffee, and all that shebang, our cutlery, tortilla chips. Then we've got our full-size fridge, which is cool. More booze and food. And then we're in the middle of like doing all the shelving here. So we got an air fryer from Ronnie today, the microwave, and then we'll have like coffee machine, toasty maker, toaster. Then the bottom shelf for, sorry, storing food. And then this is my desk. So I've got kind of like all my filming equipment there, and like all my shoes are in that there, and they're in the bathroom. Then I'm going to work from here. This is where I'll do my makeup and stuff. These are just the shelves that need to go in there. So, yeah, yoo-hoo! Do you like your new room? It's a room from IKEA, but yeah, now we're using it as a gym, and it's a perfect space to come and do some weights and the treadmill. And then this is my favourite view, which is the back of the house. You've got the silicone render in colour chalk, and you can see the shaped windows and the sliding doors as well. So yeah, one of my favourite views, but it's a shame that it's the UK and we're always inside. So if we head back inside now, I will just close the doors. And I can take you upstairs. So in the old bungalow, we only had like a loft room, which wasn't classed as a legal room or a legal bedroom, but now we've turned the upstairs into 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. Start with this room. This room is guest bedroom number 2, and it's also my office. So although it's got sloped ceilings, it's got loads of potential because you can slide a bed under the eaves. Got a huge desk here, and I've got the double bed as well here. Built any storage in here at the moment, but the world's your oyster if you wanted to. Okay, and then I'll take you through to Alex's office slash guest bedroom. So we put some nice paneling in here, and basically, yeah, it's a small room with a funny shape, but we've managed to get a double bed in here, and obviously the paneling really gives it a bit of that interior touch, but it's perfect for him in the office, and it also stays warm most of the time. So, and then just across from the office, we've got the bathroom, which has got a freestanding bath and a shower as well, double shower. Perfect. So now I can lead you on to the main bedroom. Okay, so this is the main bedroom. And we've got the Showstopper windows, which we absolutely love, but they're quite hard to blind. But yeah, it's great in the morning because the sun rises over there in the east, and we have beautiful skies coming over all day then. But this room is really warm. This is a super king bed, so it's the biggest bed that we could get, and we've still got plenty of space either side. And yeah, it's a bit bare in here at the moment, but we kind of like that, try and keep it as plain as possible in order for us to just kind of have an easy life. We will eventually get kind of like built-in wardrobes here and get rid of this hideous Kallax unit, but until then, I think that's basically the house. a whistle-top tour of the bungalow. Let me know if you want me to go into more detail into any of the rooms. Let me know which is your favourite room down in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.